Loves, hope you're doing well. Welcome back again to this channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and please consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, by now you know you are always my best friend. And welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing like a few days in my life during my maternity leave, and also I'm also going to be sharing with you a baby clothes vlog. I'm doing a lot of things in this video, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you've not, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video, and also like the video and share to your friends. I started by cutting this chicken that I got yesterday. I got two, but the other one is already sliced into small pieces. So I'm cutting this into pieces so that I'm able to put it in my freezer. I always do this so that it will not take a lot of space in the freezer. And this chicken is too huge. You can see this is the thigh and the drumstick. So that's how big it is. So that's what I'm doing. This is only the drumstick and the thighs. And this chicken is quite big, so this is how I divide it. I divide it into two, then put it in the ziploc, and then place it in my freezer. I think I should plug you to my kienyeji chicken guy, because well, it's a good deal. I did prepare my dinner off camera, and today we were having mashed potatoes, some steamed vegetables, and a beef stew. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave. This is the following day, and I'm going to make sure that I'm hanging this clock because it has been hovering around the house, and I'm going to be using this hook. So this is what I'm going to be doing, and also I'm going to be hanging my photos if I decide the wall that is going to be my gallery, and if not, I'm going to hang the ones that I feel are okay with a certain wall that I'm having over here. Yeah, that's it for today actually. Oh, yesterday I sent my husband to Victoria Kids so that he can collect me all these clothes. These are second-hand rompers. They're like in between the fleece and the cotton material. They are not fleece and not cotton. So because my baby is kind of reacting to the fleece rompers, the new ones, so I decided I had tried some like these ones from a friend. A friend had bought me some, and they didn't react to him, so I decided why not get more for him. So this is what I got. I got this from Victoria Kids. Here is their location and contact in cases that you're looking for maybe second hand or the touche rompers like these ones. And by the way, they are good quality. We are going to be soaking them with Dettol so that we can be able to put on the baby. They are so cute. Look at this one, so cute by the way. So I got some rompers, a lot actually. You can see all that, and some onesies. Here is another romper, so cute. You can see how it looks. And I mixed from 6 months to 1 year. Like this one is for 12 months, that is 1 year. They are more for 6 months to 1 year. I wouldn't get like for 6 months because we are already 4 months old today when I'm recording this video. I don't know when it's going to go up. So here are the onesies. This is how they look like. They are so cute actually, and they are good quality. They are warm like the rompers also. What does this say? Let's see. Even I don't know this language. But it's a cute one. I think I took it because it's a white one. So this is how it looks. Also some more onesies. Here they are. This says I love Dallas Cowboys football, and this has a tie. So cute. They are all second hand. So yeah, that's what we got from Victoria Kids. This is my always to go baby shop for baby items, baby clothes, and everything baby. So here is their contact and location, and this is a plug from me to you. Guys, don't judge my unfinished wardrobe. As you can see over there on top, the wardrobe needs some binding on those boards, but we are doing that slowly by slowly because we came to this house before it was finished, and we are finishing that slowly by slowly. So the best part of these rompers, they have the anti-sliding material on the legs. As you can see, I'm showing you that. If your side, no, have me by your side when the
sun.
And now it's snack time. As I'm having my snack, I have some arrowroots and some sweet potatoes which are boiling for tomorrow's breakfast.
I hope you still want me. I hope you still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading.
I sometimes have a big family when my other 4 babies come to visit. Today I decided to treat them with pizza because it's on Tuesday and it's buy one and get one free. So we had that as we waited for supper to be ready. And this is what we had for our dinner.
It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity.
So today I'm hosting, and I'm hosting my grandparents. They're coming to see my son. Since he was born, they have never met him. So they're going to be coming to see him today. And as I'm preparing their meal, I intend to be very careful because these old people are very sensitive with food. So I'm going to be making food that are not spicy. I'm not going to use any spice on my food. And also the only spice I can use is maybe the natural ones, the ginger and the garlic. And I'm planning to only use garlic actually. So I was thinking to make like a vegetable rice, but I just realized that could be very dry for them, because and then it will also be a lot of work because it will need me to make some soup, and I'm alone. My nanny is not in today, she's not coming today, so I have to make something that is quick and simple for me and that will favor them, that they won't come and feel like that is too much. So I'm going to just I've already boiled rice actually, and I'm now preparing for stew. Yeah, so yesterday my nanny had prepared some chapatis, so I have some chapatis over here. Those are the ones that you are going to take together with what I'm going to make. So I'm going to be making a lot of vegetables, so that in case anyone feels that he or she doesn't want to take rice, the onions, anyway, I'm saying if anyone feels like they don't want to take rice, they can also take chapatis, or even they can take both at the same time, because I'm also going to be steaming a cabbage over here. The vegetable that I'm making, I'm going to be making minji. What do you call minji? I'm going to be making this. These are the minji, and I'm going to be mixing this with meat, and also I'm going to be steaming this on the side, cabbage on the side. So that's the plan of the day. So let me prepare this as I wait for them. Actually, they have said they are on their way, so I'm trying to hurry up so that they don't find me still here in the kitchen. Rice is ready. As you can see, it's already ready there. So here I have my meat boiling. Here are the chapatis that my nanny left, and they are not so many, but they are enough. I believe they are going to be enough together with the rice. Yeah.
Sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high.
If you are a Kenyan, more so a Kikuyu, you know this mixture is not complete without kadhufu. For those who don't understand kadhufu, kadhufu is soup. So I had to add water in the mixture and bring it to a boil, as you can see. And guys, I'm already done and everything is ready. I was done on time before they were here, so I have enough time to rest before they come. And sorry for the background noise, it's my son who is making that sound. He's thinking that I'm talking to him when I'm doing the voiceover for this video. This is how you know you are in Kenya, when you are stuck in traffic together with the traffic police. Guys, I'm going for shopping and we are stuck in traffic here together with the traffic police. So it's in a roundabout and you can see the traffic is on another level. The traffic is real, but one of the cop decided to come off the bike and control the traffic for us. Thank you for that. I will not be doing a haul today. This is all that I got. I got some safari beef sausages. I'm going to be trying that, and also my normal pork sausages and some spices. These are the spices that I got today. I added oyster sauce and these galito sauces. I got the lemon herb and the barbecue. Also, I added on the soaps. I have the 2 bar soaps over there, the Jama ones, there are 2, and then the Omo, the bleach, and then it was on offer. You are saving like 81 bob. I also got some vegetables. They're ready to cook. I got this, but I've already opened it. I was so hungry, and these kitchen towels from Carrefour. Yeah, they were on offer, so I got 2 packs. You can see my holder is there with no whatevers, with no towel, so that's why I got those. Those are the things that I got today. So yeah, also I got some food. Hello loves, today I'm going to be doing my hair. So I just undid it yesterday. I'm going to be cleaning this hair and then I wait for my salonist to be here. So currently my hairline is going little by little. As you can see, I don't have a hairline. It's because of breastfeeding, and I know it's going to be back once I'm done breastfeeding. So let me clean the hair and wait for the salonist to be here. So I had this hair, the Guess Girl hair, color number 230, which had remained from my previous but one hairdo. So I decided I will not dispose it. I will just add 2 more so that I'm able to get a complete hairdo. And this is what I got today. It's just a simple spring twist. Yeah, that's what I got. Just pretty simple. It's dinner time, so I'm going to be preparing my dinner. So I did prepare my chicken. I marinated this chicken off camera and also fried it off camera. So I'm going to be also steaming these vegetables together with the chicken. And guys, I didn't cut my vegetables into small pieces, as you can see. It's because I have not eaten this vegetable before and they have a funny name, like the kale. It's a kale, but it have a funny name. It's being called, I think, pakichoni kales. So I decided not to cut them. In case that it's not going to be tasting good, I'm just going to remove it as whole, other than cutting it and then you start like selecting once it's cooked. But actually it tasted good, and if I knew it was going to be tasting that, actually I would have bought more. So that's what we are going to be taking from.